to do the correct answer of this expression. Okay, so inside the parentheses 6 plus 4 times another parenthesis 8 minus 3, which equals how much? Okay, are you ready to do the correct answer of this expression? Okay, in order to get the correct answer of this expression, we have to follow the order of operation PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Okay, remember that multiplication and division has equal priority from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction. Okay, therefore in this expression here is one parenthesis and one multiplication, another parenthesis here. Therefore, according to PEMDAS, first we have to do these two parentheses, this parenthesis and this parenthesis first. Okay, then inside the parenthesis 6 plus 4, which equals 10, then times here is another parenthesis 6 minus 3. Okay, then now let me continue the parenthesis 2, 8 minus 3, which equals 5. Okay, then 10 times 5, 10 times 5 is just 50. Okay, therefore the correct answer of this problem is equals to 50. The correct answer of this problem equals to 50.